Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Polgon Matic. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what really is happening with the price of Matic and what are some next price targets we could be looking for in the immediate short term. As you guys may know, we have seen Matic really take a massive hit over the past few days. And of course, as of now, June 17th, 2023, we are seeing a little bit of a reversal happening within the price, currently sitting at 61.7 cents, and we're up 4% in USD comparative, 3% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. And if we're looking at its market cap, it's currently sitting at $5.7 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $400 million. But now let's shift our focus towards the analysis. But before we get in, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if we're looking at the price right now, you guys can see something very interesting is happening. Obviously on the daily time frame, we can't really understand as to what is happening. So let's look a little closely on the hourly and see what is happening. So of course, on June 14th, we did see the price head back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but it was a clear rejection. And then of course, Bitcoin went back down to 24,800, which did have a massive impact on the price of Matic. We saw the price drop another 16%. But since then, if you picked up some Matic around this 55.85 cents mark, you are up already about 10% since just yesterday. One thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, we never saw the price of Matic retest that 50.86 cents mark, which we did back on June 10th. We never saw the price go back down to that level. So that is one good thing that we can definitely take away from today. So now comes the question, what really is next? One thing, we do want to see the price of Matic do very quick is that, we need to see the price get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. It's a really important level for the price of Matic. And in order for us to get back into that 78.6, that is a move of about 10%. And the mega bullish scenario would be as if the price of Matic is able to get back past that massive level of resistance at that 73 cents. Since then, we did see a massive drop when we broke below it. So you guys can see how important this level is. Maybe on the hourly time frame, you guys can get a better understanding as to how important that level really is for the price of Matic. You guys can see how many different times throughout the last year we've been supported around that range. You guys can see we got supported several times, but this time around, of course, we broke below it for the first time ever since below the 78.6. We haven't broken below it since, of course, July of last year, so almost a year ago. But was that the bottom? Was literally that the bottom? Possibly. Honestly, possibly that could have been the bottom. Reason why I say that is because BlackRock came out and they have approved the ETF with the SEC, and that is one of the biggest news when it comes to crypto as of now. Reason being, SEC is the ones that are labeling all these coins as securities, but they're the ones that are approving this ETF with BlackRock for Bitcoin. So any idea as to what's really happening? Is this just a chance for them to be picking up some BTC and altcoins at a cheaper price? Possibly. But remember, I've shared this with you guys in the past. Crypto is outside of just the US. There's a lot of other countries around the world. It's not just US that runs it. Now China is supporting crypto like never before, and that is one of the biggest news I think that cryptocurrency investors need to be excited about. A lot of people are overlooking that. But now there's a clear battle between the US and China. Whatever US is saying no to, China is saying yes to in terms of, crypto. And now it's going to be very exciting as to what really happens. But I think we could have potentially seen the bottom for Matic, especially if we see the price reclaim above that 73 cents. I think we have, seen the bad days behind us, and that FUD is all over. And of course, if BTC makes a new yearly high, a new yearly high would be, of course, going past 31,000. And first we need to get past this level of resistance at 28,700, and then we could start having the conversation whether or not Bitcoin is about to retest a new yearly high. And if that happens, guys, let's think that Matic is going to go past this level of resistance on its way back to where it really was. This is one of the biggest and most strongest projects in the crypto space. I've shared this with you guys from the get-go. Yes, it's facing a massive FUD. Not only this, Solana also is on the same page, and Cardano is also on the same page. But the community members of these projects, the ones that really believe in it, I know a few that are saying, this is just another day for us to be accumulating at a cheaper price. So interesting things are playing out, but at the same time, we still need to hear a little bit more news come out of this SEC, what they have said about these securities, that we want to see what more they say. But as of now, things are looking good. But what I want the price of Matic to do is get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and especially past that 73 cents. If that happens, I think the bottom is in. And of course, saying that, that can obviously be invalidated if some sort of news comes out, that is not in our, control. If that happens, everything can get invalidated. So that is something that we need to accept as cryptocurrency investors. Bitcoin, on the other hand, looking great right now, but of course today's the weekend, and on the weekend CME futures are closed, so that is something we do need to keep in mind. Dominance is literally sitting at almost 50%, which is absolutely scary, but still Polygon Matic is up in BTC comparative, which is a good thing to see, of course. But now I want to hear from you guys, like, what is your personal thoughts on this entire situation that Matic is going through? Let me know in the comment section. I want to hear from you guys. Do you really think Matic will get past this? Is this just another hurdle that's coming in front of its roadmap, that's what you want to call it, or could this have a massive lasting effect on it? Let me know in the comment section. I really want to see what other people think. I've shared my personal thoughts with you guys. Now is the time where I want to hear from you guys as to what you guys think can happen for the price of Matic. And what is your stance right now? Are you guys accumulating? Are you guys just holding what you have? And what are some price projections on the price of Polygon Matic at the end of this year? Do not forget to let me know that. And if you have not yet already, guys, go follow me on Twitter, link in the description box below. And also let me know if you guys want to see more Polygon Matic news on a daily basis. I'll try bringing you guys that as well. But things are looking great. Hopefully we get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and then we will take it one step at a time from there. Once again, thank you so much for all your support you guys show me. I love each and every one of you guys. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.